What's up, guys? We're back fishing again. So we just hiked down this big waterfall and we're doing a 2v2 creek tournament where every fish counts. So that's where we are right now. I caught one off camera, but it didn't count. 2-inch or 3-inch Senko. Yeah, wacky rig. That's usually all I throw when I come to the creek. I don't even know what it is. It's brown. Already got hung. There we go. See if there's anything back there. Came off again. Dude, the bluegill are everywhere. As soon as I hit the water, it hit it. Dude. Alright, he's got it. Yep. Oh, dude. Oh, he's pulling drag.
You're so far away.
Oh. See that? First fish. That's not bad at all. Look at that. So. Way back where that moss is, they're all stacked up. Yeah. Alright. Oh, there's one. Well, my glasses came off. I still got them on. Oh my gosh, look at this. I gotta fix my sunglasses. You got one? That's automatic. Look at this guy. The hook's like as big as his mouth. Yeah, look at this little guy. Look at that right there. Look at the fins in the bottom. That's awesome. Whoop. Yeah, so that's 3. Would have been like 5 if I wouldn't have missed all of them. Oh, dude, he just hammered it. This hook's definitely small enough, so I don't know.
What size is your, do you have a circle hook on?
No, it's just a wacky hook. There's a, oh my gosh.
A fish?
Yeah, he hammered it. I don't know what it is. What is that? Oh. Green sunfish?
I'm about to pull those on.
I would. I
I
would. Get back. That didn't sound good. There's a fish. They keep getting. Oh, that's a rock bass.
You have 4, don't you?
Yeah, it's 5 altogether. They keep getting smaller and smaller. Boom. Yeah, he's on the grass. He might have came off. If there's a fish on this.
It looks like it might be covering something up. No? Yeah? I'll pull
Yep.
that.
Oh my gosh. Look how little this fish is. All that in the grass. I thought it was like a big bluegill just because of the way the grass looked.
6 fish.
That's puny. He's got a fat belly. Yeah, we're up to 6. Alright, we'll catch you at the next spot. I turned the camera off and then I cast in, caught a fish.
How big is? I That's
Yeah,
a
look at that.
Mondo rock bass, dude.
Yeah, compared to smallmouth.
That's 8.
Yeah. Yeah, compared to smallmouth, he's massive. This one, as soon as it hit the water, I wasn't paying attention. I was just messing with the GoPro. 8. I knew there'd be something hanging out here. All right, now we'll move. I figured I'd start recording just in case I wiped out, and I'd at least have it on video. Well. Oh, please don't get bitten by a snake. Please don't bite me. Oh, this looks good. Right over a tree. There's a bunch of bluegill right here. I got one. Oh, that's smallmouth. 9. Chill, Brody. These things are vicious. Got him? 10? Is that a rock bass? Heck yeah. Here's number 9. There's number 10. It's fighting good. Oh, that's a fat rock bass. Look at that. $14. Okay guys, here's an update. So I can't find my phone, and we called it with my buddy's phone, and it's ringing, so that means it's not, that it's alive, and hopefully not in the middle of the creek. All right, y'all, just an update. I never found my phone. I went on to find my iPhone, and it says it's offline. We tried to call it, and of course my ringer's not on. So I'm just gonna do what I came here to do and win this tournament, because there's no hope. Got a little bit of battery left. I think this is number 18 for my team. I think I've caught 11 maybe? Yeah, but there's number 18. Still haven't found the phone. I think I'm gonna head back and meet up with the other team, and we'll discuss, see who won the tournament. Alright, so I didn't get to film an outro for the video, so that's what this is. So the results for the tournament, it was Seth and I against my friend Ethan, my friend Rusty, and I'll put Ethan's channel. He has a YouTube channel. I'll put that in the description. He videoed it too, or he made a video when we went. But we ended up losing. We caught, I think, 20 fish, and Rusty and Ethan caught 30. They went downstream and we went upstream. But yeah, that's that. And update on my phone. So I never found my phone until the next day when we got it pinged. I got an alert, and we drove back out there and met some people that were acting really sketchy, and you know, they said they didn't have the phone. But later on, we got another alert, and the phone was at their house. So we called the cops, and the cops went and brought it back to my house. So yeah, so I got the phone back and ended up losing the tournament. So it was a pretty crappy day of fishing. So yeah, but I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys later.